Hi guys, today is Saturday. The what date is it today again? 15th? Yeah, I think today is the 15th, and we are just counting a few days to the birth of our son. So I'm quite excited and also a bit anxious because, well, as a second time mom and knowing exactly what to expect or anticipating a lot of things, I don't know. I can't even move well. I can't even move. Right now, I'm just one big penguin. One big penguin. And we have prepared ourselves. I think the lighting is not so good. The sun is coming out and then going away. Yeah. So we've prepared ourselves. Our bags are packed. My bag, my baby's bag, the things I need for my delivery, and we just hope that all will be well. So as of today, we have 4 days left. 4 days left to the D-Day, and I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, probably I'll get some time to rest some more, especially on my tummy, because right now my sitting positions are just limited, but I hope things will go on well. Yeah. And also, I'm testing my new camera, my new phone actually, which I'll be using for my vlogs. I hope this ones will be great. Now, see, the sun is there. Yeah. I hope this one will give me clear videos and all that. But yeah, let us keep hydrating as we wait for that day. So these are my items that I've packed. I think this is a Macintosh for the baby. So I'll start with my bag. So inside my bag, I have a few essentials for me. This one, very key. Some good slippers that I got from Miniso, and um, passing cards. And then I have another tiny bag that has toothbrush, oil. Yeah, we're just pregnant. You have to look good either way. Toothbrush is here. Um, some oil that I use, and this one has some other essential stuff that I may need. Also, I sneaked in a few things. Um, this is for the baby. This is diaper bag. It has diapers size 0 and some wet wipes and some clothes for me. Since we're going to spend a few days in the hospital, so I decided to carry 3, but I think I'll add one more. And we also have panties and bras, which I will not show on camera. So those are the things that I think I will need. I will also add a towel, a big towel and a small face towel for bathing. But I know in the hospital they usually provide those things. It's a high-end hospital, so they provide quite a couple of things that a mom will need, and also for the baby, but it is always safe for you to carry your own things. And something else that is very important is here, medical card. You have to carry your medical card. This is the bag that I use for clinic days, but that day I will not carry this one. And also something essential is the ANC booklet, which has the history of how your pregnancy has been. And also for special moms like me, I have to carry my glucometer. Yeah, I was diagnosed with gestational diabetes in the 3rd trimester of my pregnancy. It has been really tough. I will shoot a separate video to talk about that, but for now we are packing. I'm not yet decided if I should carry this towel. So we have, it's not a towel, it's a swaddle. This is the small swaddle that is here, but I will carry this big swaddle, this one. I'll carry this one because mtoto atakuja kama nivaa hiyo. I also have another pair, not another pair. This is just one. One is inside here. This is Pampers Sensitive water wipes, which I'll fix somewhere. This is for my water bottle. Going to the hospital, you need to carry your own water or your own water bottle because the caps are very tiny in the hospital. For the baby bag, this is a blue swaddle, which I will add. The other wipe was for me. I prefer my babies to use this brand, Hanan flashable wipes, and a few things. Mittens are very important, so I've packed 3. These are bibs. I've also packed 3 of them. Caps. These ones are 4. It's a boy, so blue has to dominate. This is for when we get home. The day we will be discharged from hospital. It's very warm, to keep the baby warm, so I have to make sure that I have it there. I've forgotten how these things are called, but they're also used for wrapping the baby. There are 3. What else is inside this bag? 1, 2. We're going to add. Oh, there are 3. Also, this ones are 3. I have a baby brain right now, pregnancy brain, so I can't remember how these things are called. So socks, these ones are so obvious. There are 4 pairs of socks for the baby. And onesies, these are 5 pairs. 5. Mama, come. Close the door and come in. Yes, baby Tad is here. arrange them, mommy.
You touch the socks.
Touch the socks.
Wow, they're so cute.
Hey!
Let me see. Cute socks. They are car
What
socks.
is this?
Car socks. They're the socks of baby daddy.
These are rompers, so I have carried 4. Let us put them back inside slowly. Let us put them back inside. The rompers. Yeah. So those are the essential things that I've carried. The first time I packed almost the entire house. But this time I've just packed a few things that I need. So hizo ndo vitu zenye we need for this my God, my baby has been imitating me. This is a towel inside there, and mommy has a baby. Yeah, so walk with us through this journey. This is how far we are. And this is how far we are. This is how far.
1, 2, 3, peekaboo.